So hi guys, just a quick video here. This is me picking my Spitfire up from the painters. As you can see, it's all done nice and all in the laurel green with the fiberglass bonnet. It's done a really good job to say the condition of the gel coat that the fiberglass was in and the general rest of it. So I'm putting together just a couple of videos just to bring you a bit of an update on where I'm at. So I've had it all picked up. I've now brought it back home. So you're going to see some videos of me, what I've done. I've managed to paint the inside. I'm not filming me doing much of the work because there's plenty of other people out there doing it. I'm just giving you purely some updates. So yeah, hope you like it. Hope you like what I'm on with so far, and I'll keep you in touch as I keep building and building. So peace out. Right, hi guys, welcome back. Just a quick update on my car. I'll do a little bit so you can see me talking first, and then I'll spin the camera around and show you what I'm on with. But within 7 quick weeks from the start of this project, when you saw me taking off the actual body off the chassis, the tub off, things have moved really fast. So it's all been welded, it's been painted, and now it's back in the garage, and I'm only doing the prep work of getting it back together. So I've got some different pictures and videos of it all being done, which I'll most probably interlace into this video, and maybe do a bit of a voiceover as well. See how we get on with that again. But yeah, it's back in the garage, and let me spin it around and show you what I'm on with. Right, okay, so like I said, it's back in the garage. Here we go, all painted in laurel green. I've still got some bits and pieces to pick up from the painters, but I'm going there on Monday because I've got a friend with a van to come and help me. So I'm obviously picking the roof, the windscreen, frame, and the boot lid. So that'll be coming in. So everywhere's been painted. The gel coat on this fiberglass front end's a bit sketchy in places, but we always knew that was going to happen. I've got all the doors to rebuild up with the cars and stuff, but I'm actually now at the point where I'm painting the interior. So I only got priced to paint the exterior and all the panels, and because all the panels inside were new, they all wanted red leading, and I've got like a different type of green. It's very similar to this one. I couldn't get the laurel green, but it's all going on the carpets anyway, so you'll not see it. But it's going to be done in enamel paint, so that's all nice and checked and rust proofed. Once I've got the green paint on all this stuff in the inside, so like in the boot here and stuff that you can see. So once all this has got the enamel, when bins attack, but once this has got all the enamel green paint in it and things like that, I will then be painting a wax oil onto it as well, and then the carpets will be going on top of that, and we should be good and nice and sealed then. So got the bits at the front to do yet, but obviously I can't get into them without having this bit dry, so I can kneel on there and get in and paint that bit. So this is my job done for today. It takes about 8 hours to cure, so I'll be back in tomorrow and I'll carry on and most probably finish off the front bit of red leading, and then most probably get my first coat of the green enamel paint on it as well, and then I can start progressing building it back up. So there's lots to do because I've got bits to pick up from all sorts of places, pick from the bits from the fabricators. So I've got to put all my wiper motors back in, I've got a dash, I've got my steering wheel to put back. Yeah, it's just loads of stuff, and hopefully I can do it all without marking it or scratching it, but I'm just like paranoid to death now. I don't want to touch it. And just a couple of things need sorting out. You know, I think the bonnet needs lining up. I'm going to come and get the doors squared up as well. I'll also ask Matt to come out and help me. The guy who did all the fabricating and stuff to start with, and see if he can come out and just give us a lift to just tweak it back into position and make it all square on the doors and things. But other than that, yeah, we're getting there. So I hope you enjoyed this little series so far. Obviously I'm not doing it in depth for some of these other people out there on YouTube. This is just purely so you can keep up with what I'm doing, and more like a bit of a history record of my car and what I've done to it. So peace out guys, catch you soon.